There he is. There he is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dear Lord. That fish nailed it. Nope, nope. Oh my God. There he is. All right, y'all. We just pulled up to the spot. It's really cold and wintry out here in Mississippi, and these fish are cold, and it's about 38-degree water temps, which is insane. We had a lot of snow, and we're just gonna see if we can find some fish. It's mostly redfish. I haven't seen hardly any trout. I don't know what is up with that. So I think they're frozen, man. Trout can't handle as well as the redfish. I know that. How y'all been out there in this cold weather? I know everybody got some snow in the south. All right, y'all. Just had a bite, I think. The bites have been extremely light, and it was just slight pressure. That's usually a redfish. There he is. Look at him, just rolling around. Cold little sucker here. Came straight out of the freezer, and I bet feels like that's what it feels like. These suckers are icy. Nice little keeper. Gonna throw them in the box and keep on jigging. Remember, you catch one red when it's this cold, there's gonna be more reds usually. He was dead in the middle. Finally hooked up again. Light hit, bro. Oh, that's a heavier one. I didn't expect it. I thought he was littler than that. Okay. I'm gonna lose where I caught him at. Look at that fatty. Okay. I'm on top of him now. Somewhere like under my boat, I believe. I had a couple bites. They were just, you wouldn't think it's a bite unless you're really dialed in, you know what I'm saying? And they don't hold it, so they like that twice. What the heck? It's like light pressure, then release instantly. Light release, and then you feel it, and they're not holding it. It's wild hits, man. All right, y'all gonna have to watch me like this if I record this video, because my GoPro strap just broke, and I just caught this beautiful fish on this matrix shad. So he hit it right when it hit the bottom, first jig. So let's see, there might be a couple over there. There he is. Oh, I lost him. That was a good fish too. My hook's bent. I don't like that. My hook's bent. Golly, he was a good one. He was heavy. about to get y'all one. We're about to. This battery gotta get out of the way. Okay. All right, let's get cozy. Let's let our legs dangle in the cold water. And let's move y'all over a piece. Really? Don't fight me. Don't fight me, camera. Just work with me. Well, got a rat red for y'all. I was hoping it was a trout, but I think the trout are all popsicles right now. I really do. I can't find a trout. There he is. I think it's another rat, I guess. Yep. I don't know about this point of view, but hey, what are you gonna do, right? It's blowing 500 miles an hour. I don't have a strap for my GoPro right now, so it's the best I can do for y'all. We're just gonna flip it out in the middle and let it try to hit bottom somehow. He actually tapped it. I felt deep, which is a rarity. There he is, guys. Just keep jigging, just keep jigging. I don't even know if he's a keeper. I like the cut of his gem. He's a keeper. Let me just set him right there. You're gonna hang out with me and we're gonna talk. We're gonna talk about things. Hey, brother. Now, if you give up your friends and let me know what they're doing, I just might let you go. If not, something's gonna happen to you. So, what do you say? I don't even remember where he was either. I think he was right here. Gee, I don't even want to go up in that wind. I'm hurting. It's cold. And it's hard to fish. And I'm going to get that one guy who says, you should really buy an external mic because your wind audio is terrible. Well, go buy me one, brother. Patreon's in the description. Like I'm rich and I can just go buy every accessory. Oh, you're lucky I'm making this video. Sorry, I'm getting a little upset. I don't like people's mentalities. I've seen that comment a lot. Hey there, guys, got us one. A little crooked picture going on here. What are you gonna do? Hey, 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 hey. Woo! There's a keeper. There's a keeper, boy. He got one eye. Well, he got a bum eye. I might have hooked him one day, hooked him in the eye. He said it'll give him some character later in life, and I lied because he's kind of got a, look at that eye. You see, he's got a little Bobby Boucher looking eye. I don't even know what that means either, but throw these in the box. And y'all are crooked as heck, boy. And I do apologize. I'm trying. Okay, he was so far out in the middle that it was crazy good. 3 casts later, we hook up. As soon as I turn that thing off. No! You barely hooked. I don't have a net. Oh, that's 2 losses. That's not good. That's not good. Once your hand gets wet and cold and you ain't got no gloves or pocket warmers, it's hard to warm it back up, homie. I think I ripped a layer of flesh off my stomach setting the hook. It's cold. Yeah, don't be you checking out my buns. Barely hooked in the boat. Look at that. By the skin of that lip, it's gonna come right, well. I felt the tick, just the slightest tick you've ever imagined. That's what I'm talking about. To the boat, my friend. Hey, oh, my pole just went in the water. I'm glad it's shallow. A lot happened now. My reel's probably gonna get nasty now. I set it in salt water, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll test it out. I'll let y'all know. It's a Temu reel, Temu, whatever. Can't say that word. Yes. Alright. He ticked it. Ticked me, y'all. He went tick. And there's so much wind, I was like, maybe, you know, you start thinking that, was that even a bite? Because you could barely feel anything, but it was. Come on. That's not good. Oh my gosh, this camera's gonna tick me off. There he is. Ugh. I'm trying, y'all. I got water in my reel. Woo! Oh yeah, it's on, baby. It is on, y'all. He's flopping all over the place like a whale. Like a whale. That's a good one. That's a good one there. Good car, football. Come here. Whoop. Right into your living room. Oh, get back in here. I'm having a good time. Matrix shad, limbo slice is the color of choice. Check him out. Wintertime. Wintertime reds.
Or skipper maybe.
Oh,
do I
right.
use that?
Shut
Man,
up.
I can really
I got a good one on, y'all. Well, he's alright. He's alright. Oh. I caught a bunch more off camera. I just didn't. I couldn't get the battery to work. So I said, you know what? I don't care. Look at that one. Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. Y'all, I'm tearing them up right now. I just caught like 15 in a row. And I got drifted on. I'm trying to mess with this dang camera. But it is on fire right now. I'm tearing them up. They were right here where my boat is, and I just drifted on them. I'm trying to fix this camera. There he is. It's every cast. I don't know if he's big. Okay, maybe he is. It's every cast. Oh, I put a little lure on so I can hook them better. This is insane. Watch this, watch this. Oh, he was on it. think. I don't know. Can't tell. Yeah, he's a rat. Oh God, there he was again. Right when he hit the bottom. A little bigger rat. That's 3 and 3 casts. Let's see what happens again. Can't see, can't see, can't see. There he is. Golly, it's freaking bright. Oh yeah, I think he's good. I've yet to see anything. And come on up. Yep, yep, yep. Good one there. Throw him on the boat. Try to get off of them because I'm drifting in them. Get out of there. Oh, whoa. How'd I miss that? He tagged it. Let's throw it up into the brightness. He bumped me twice.